Alright, good morning mga sir. Another day, another bend. Meron tayong client dito galing San Miguel Leyte, si Sir John Ray. Tsaka yun nga, bago yung sniper niya, pinabend niya ngayon kasi balak niya kasi is street GP concept. Bigyan natin kay Perasong montage. Let's go.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my wrist for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archive. Jordan can't back on the 4-5. If you play to you late right there by your own kind. All before with a logo.
Dalawang unit tayo ngayong araw. Pareho race blue, version 4. Taga Tunga, taga San Miguel. Kada sir, ano nga mo sir?
GR.
JR, Sir JR, tsaka sir ano?
Mark.
Sir Mark. So natapos na tayo sa isang unit taga San Miguel. So ito na naman tirahin natin. Let's go.